slowed down and a few power outages may result. The National Weather Service in Morristown has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Russell County in southwestern Virginia, southeastern White County in southwestern Virginia, north central Washington County in southwestern Virginia, until 2 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:09 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles east of Wise, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lebanon, Lindell, Coburn, Castlewood, St. Paul, Hansonville, Rosedale, Cleveland, Virginia, and Emory Meadowview. This includes Interstate 81 in Virginia near mile marker 24. The National Weather Service in Morristown has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Russell